It's about 10 to 4 now in the afternoon, and we had to wait for the shops to open because they all sleeping on.
Everyone's sleeping. Guys, I don't know what I've actually told you recently or where we're at because everything's been a bit hectic, but we are in I cannot say this place. It's not Contes. Cunit, on the east coast of Spain / Catalonia. Making our way down to Tarifa, but we ran out of money at the moment, so I'm just waiting for some payments to come in and then we can carry on moving. But it's nice here, there's free water, drinking water as well, not just regular water. There's a toilet, showers on the beach, nice beach as well. And then we're moving on from here, and probably like we've been here about 3 days. We're going to be moving on in about 2 days, I think. We're going to head to some hot springs in Valencia. They're going to be cool to film, I'm sure. Anyway, stick with us, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye. It's time for Zeus's shower. Oh, Zeusy! What's up, guys? We've been in this spot now for, it's a week now, isn't it? I say that like, been here a week, but it's been nice. It's been real nice here. And I can't pronounce it, but San Juan was on as well.
San Juan?
Which is like a celebration of, is it a celebration of summer? Celebration of the solstice. Which is mental here, just fireworks everywhere, kids running around just lobbing fireworks about. Great laugh. And the sea is beautiful here, amazingly beautiful sea. There's like loads of little bays along the seafront which just get nice warm water in. There's everything you need. Little supermarket just down the road. Very local. There's not much. There's not many tourists here. I mean, there's a few Spanish ones, but not many foreigners, you know. We're leaving today and we've got a bit of money and we're leaving today and we're heading to the hot springs in just like north of Valencia, about an hour north of Valencia. So yeah, but now onwards. It's always nice to stop off somewhere and spend some time there, but it's also real good to get back on the road again too. It's the variety of it all, I guess.
What is it?
Oh, it's just wrong. Oh, Meshy cement spray, paracetamol, rice paper rolls. Wraps, definitely.
Yeah.
Dog food. I'm not sure these are meant to be that mouldy, are they? No, there's something going on here, look. Everything's mouldy. Oh. Go back to the van and Poe's bin in some chocolate. Poe? What's that? Poe? What's this?
Yeah,
So? Are we on a hill or were we on a hill when I last checked it maybe?
I don't know why. Is it okay now?
Yeah, it seems alright, yeah.
Yeah. Have to eat.
I had a wrap. Yo, get down. My dog looks like a dingo.
Falafel wrap.
Italian wrap. It was all vegan apart from the mozzarella cheese.
And it was all Italian apart from falafel and...
Yeah, so it was kind of basically an Indian
Thai sauce.
wrap with some mozzarella on it. But it's good, very good. I liked it. I'm gonna recreate without the mozzarella. Is it falafel or falafel? Just put it in a wrap. I'll fucking eat it.
Wrap it up.
No, is it? You don't even know, do you? That's what I'm asking. That's why I'm asking.
What's that? What's the question?
Is it falafel or falafel?
Falafel.
Falafel.
But originally it's falafel.
Yeah, see, I'm not sure I believe you. Whoa, whoa, whoa! She jousted me! She literally jousted me! Stayed in a nice place last night. Gonna have a little wash in that river, I think. Looks pretty nice. So we're just around the corner from the hot springs place. So we chilled out here this morning, and then after lunch I think we're gonna head to the hot springs. There's no hot springs, it's just a river. A really pretty river, but Google says for sure, man, it's hot springs, there's pictures of people there enjoying it. So we'll find some more. Montanejos hot springs. There we are, and that's the water we're in, right here. So where's the hot springs? And there's people with pictures and all sorts. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.